In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT login error. If you're getting stuck at sign in or seeing access errors, follow along from start to finish and we'll get you back in smoothly. Begin by opening your browser. Any modern browser works, but make sure it's up to date to avoid compatibility issues. In the address bar, search for ChatGPT and open the official site. Double-check that you're on the genuine OpenAI page before entering your credentials, then try to log in as you normally would. If the page won't load or sign-in fails, first rule out a service outage. Open the official OpenAI status page and see whether there's an incident affecting authentication or the website. If there is, the best move is to wait until it's resolved, then try again. Next, try a private or incognito window. This mode ignores most stored cookies and extensions, which makes it a great quick test. If ChatGPT opens and logs in there, you've confirmed that your saved data is causing the problem. Another common culprit is a VPN. OpenAI security may block certain VPN endpoints and trigger an access denied message. Temporarily turn off your VPN or switch to a different exit location, then refresh and try the login again. Make sure your device's date and time are set automatically. Secure login tokens rely on accurate clocks. Even a small drift can invalidate them. Enable automatic time and time zone in your system settings, then restart the browser for good measure. Now open your browser's settings. We'll clean up the data that can block a fresh session. Go to the Privacy and Security section and select Clear Browsing Data. Include cookies and other site data, and it also helps to clear the cached images and files. If you prefer not to wipe everything, you can clear cookies just for the OpenAI or ChatGPT site from your browser's site settings. After clearing, close all browser windows, reopen the browser, and try logging in again. Finally, consider your extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, or security add-ons can interfere with the login script. Temporarily disable them for the ChatGPT site or toggle them off, refresh the page, complete the login, and then re-enable them once you're in. That's it. By checking service status, testing incognito, disabling VPN, correcting your clock, clearing cookies, and taming extensions, you should resolve most ChatGPT login errors. If it works, great, you're all set. If not, repeat the steps carefully and make sure each change is applied before trying the next one.